Hi everyone, welcome. If you're new here, hello, my name is Melanie, and if you're returning friends, thank you for coming back and watching another video here on our channel. For today's video, I am giving you my September Glambag Plus unboxing. Yes, I have upgraded my Ipsy subscription. I feel like I get more out of full sizes rather than sample sizes. Don't get me wrong, small sizes are amazing. That's you guys, Ipsy is my first subscription and I've learned so much from this subscription. What is the word? I discovered I discovered so many products that I would not known or would not try for myself. You know, you'll look at it and you just whatever, but with sample sizes you get to try products and you can you can decide if you want to retry those products, you want to repurchase it, or if you're just curious and you just want to try products, then the regular Ipsy bag is definitely something for you. But me, I really enjoy my full sizes. I don't know, it just makes me happy. So that's what we're doing today. We are going to do a little bit of unboxing, a little bit of tutorial on the eyes, a little bit of everything, you guys. So I hope you guys stick around. If you are enjoying what you're seeing so far, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel before you leave, and please do turn on that notification bell so you guys don't miss out on any of the videos that I'll be uploading here on my channel. I'm not gonna talk too much because I know I talk too much on my intro. So if you are curious how I got this look and also curious for all the products in my September Ipsy Glambag Plus, then let's get to the video. Let's go ahead and start with the palette, you guys. When I saw the palette in this box, I am so excited. This is the Nomad X Berlin Underground, and then you have a Ipsy mark right here, you guys. Look at this packaging. And then at the back you have all of the shades inside, you guys. The color inside is just so pretty. Packaging is exactly the same as the inside. This is the inside, and then at the back it says Nomad Cosmetics Berlin. It says intense. Hello, good morning, birds. It says that this is an intense eyeshadow palette. Yeah, so it is cruelty-free and vegan-friendly. This is the outside. Let's go ahead and open it. Oh, there goes the plastic. This is the palette, you guys. Isn't that gorgeous though? Look at all these shades, you guys. I'm so excited. I'm definitely gonna do swatches for you guys later, but we're just gonna create something something. And it does come with a mirror. If mirror is important to you, it does come with a mirror. It says, use the eyeshadows dry for subtle shading and everyday look, for wet or dramatic high impact shimmer. Or wet for dramatic high impact shimmer. I'm really excited to use this palette. So I'm going to create something really fast for you guys, and then we'll talk about the shadow after that. You guys, I went ahead and applied my foundation so we can move on to the next product after I talk about this palette. So you guys, the palette is amazing balls, but there's always gonna be a black sheep in the bunch. I don't know, maybe it just didn't work out for me, but all the shades that I use, all the shadows that I use are pigmented, blendable, payoff is there, except this one. You guys saw it. I swatched it. Swatch it again. When you swatch it, it is very pigmented right there. You guys see? Maybe, I don't know, a camera, but it is really pigmented. It gives you a lot of color when you swatch it on your arms, but when I applied it to my eyes, I'm sure you guys saw it, it just, there's no spark. No spark with that shadow. I tried to wet my brush. It did give me some sparkle, but not like this, not this shade, you guys. I was so excited to use those two color combination, but it just, this one didn't work out for me. I didn't really speak for the other shades in this palette because I didn't use them, but if they are like the other ones, then this is such an amazing palette. The next product is a translucent, extraordinary translucent powder. This is from Ciate, London, and it's a translucent powder. Love the packaging, little stars. We get a lot of Ciate product from Ipsy, and I do quite like them a lot. I really like this brand. Packaging is really cute. You have a little tiny bow tie right there, stars. So this is translucent powder. This is translucent powder. Let's go ahead and take some in, or a lot, into our top. And this is what it looks like. It is white translucent powder. It says that this ultra blendable translucent powder from formula driven innovators Ciate London is a finely milled magic. It is definitely finely milled. It glides over makeup for a crease-free, soft focus finish and locks your lock in all day, which is truly extraordinary. While we are baking, we're gonna go ahead and take these two right here. For the bottle, I like to mix the two crease colors that I use all the time, and we are just gonna put that as close as we can to our waterline. And then I'm gonna take a small blending brush, taking the same color, and we are just gonna blend that like that. I think it has been long enough. Let's go ahead and clean up this extraordinary powder. You guys, I really like that translucent powder. It's not too drying on the skin. I do have a very dry skin, so I should not bake it that long, but I really like it on the skin. What the heck? Why are my foundation like coming off up here? My skin is acting up so bad lately, you guys, like around my nose and up here. It's just so dry, but the powder is amazing. That was $22 from Ciate London. So if you like translucent powder, definitely give it a try. The next product in our box is a collab from Ofra and Madison Miller. This is, it says, the squad is all here. Your cheeks will have a new BFF with this face palette. So it's a face palette. Includes 2 glistening highlights that will send you into shook status, and a perfect soft pink blush. You have a huge mirror, and then you have, ouch, pinched me. So you have 2 highlighters right here, and you have a blush. Let me go ahead and swatch this one for you guys, because this one is easier to swatch because there's only 3 of them, not like the palette. It has 15 shades, was it? That's the first highlight. Really pretty. And then you have, that one has more of a pink tone to it. Right there. And then let's get to the blush. I've been loving blush lately. Yep, so here are our shades. Can you guys see it? Ooh. I'm gonna take this brush right here. This is my Luxie 524. You guys love this for blush. Dip into the middle. Is there a name? There's no name on this blush. Smile. We're gonna take this one right here on these cheeks. She picks it up a lot, so be careful. Oh my goodness. Ooh, what? Wait, back it up, back it up, back it up. What? Wow. Madison. I love that shade, you guys. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. And I'm just gonna twist the brush to the other side. Oh my god, that is so pretty. I'm just gonna mix them together. On the chin, chin. But a little bit on the forehead right now. I mean, it's a little dry already. Give it a little shine. Right there. Whoa! I'm gonna take that to a brow bone as well. So I'm gonna put that in our inner corner. I cannot stop looking at my skin on the monitor. It is just so freaking highlighted. I love it. Probably too much, but it's okay. You know, it's gonna be amazing on the picture. Moving on to the next product in the box is a lippy. This is from Illamasqua. So this is the packaging inside. Same thing. You have Solar. That's the name of the lipstick, and it's just a sleek black glossy packaging. Then you have Illamasqua right here. Aww, like the tip of it kind of just brown. So this is the full amount of this lipstick. That is pretty good amount, you guys. So we want to roll it back so we don't break it. That is the color of this lipstick. I don't think it will match our eyes. This is our shade. Let's go ahead and apply and see what it looks like on our skin tone. This is what the lipstick looks like on me. I really like the tone, you guys. I think this is perfect for spring. It gives you that spring vibe of color. I think this will look better with a different eye look for sure. But I love the shade, you guys. Definitely gonna be reaching for this around like you know, summertime, springtime, because I really quite enjoy the color. Even though my lips are, you know, it's a little bit dry, it's still applied on my lips pretty well. I think because of the non-drying formula in this lipstick, it definitely hydrated my lips. So I love that, you guys. So I really enjoyed this lipstick, and this is how much? This is $27. Let's go ahead and get to the last product in the box. It is a face mask. This is from, it says APTO skincare. It says this is a pomegranate mask for all skin type. This has 2 fluid ounces, so you get a lot out of this. And face mask, it does last us for a while, and this values for $36. This is it, you guys. I'm definitely gonna try this tonight, and I will let you know in the description below what I think of it. That mask, I mean, mask is always good for me. Like, I haven't used a mask that I didn't like, so it always has something in it that's good for your skin, so I don't mind it. You guys, I'm gonna head and apply some false lashes because and look, it's not complete without falsies, so I switched up a little bit. I used a different lashes today. So this is my Vianney Strick and Delarza Cosmetics collab. Love Vianney. She's such a gorge. So this is the lashes that I have on right now. I will link her lashes in the description below if you're into this type of lashes. I really enjoyed how our eyes turned out. You guys, love the highlighter, love the lipstick. Let's see, what else did we have? The powder worked really good too. So I enjoyed every single product in my Ipsy Glambag Plus. A little update on the lips, you guys, because it is so buttery and butter. It is so buttery and creamy, so it's not setting into our lips. That makes sense. So you definitely have to use a lip liner, because I do see a little bit of bleeding around the corner of my mouth, so definitely use a lip liner. I hope that you guys enjoyed this unbagging. Thank you guys for watching, and like always, I will catch you in my next one. Bye guys.